This guide will help you fix the press shutter release button error on the Nikon D40X. Firstly, remove the battery. Start by taking the screw out the battery bay. It's slightly recessed, so be careful not to drop it into the camera. Work your way around the base of the camera, removing all the screws, placing them on the sticky tape in order. Now you can remove the underside of the camera, and this will reveal the red gear wheel. This red gear wheel is part of the mechanism that drives the shutter. Next, using the screwdriver, click the red gear wheel round a few notches to see if you can free it off. Set the lens to manual focus to stop it hunting around when you're trying to take test shots, and you may also have to set the time on the camera, as it's forgotten that time and date when the battery was removed. Now take a few test shots. If it does jam, just move the gear wheel around a few times to see if it frees up. At this point, making sure everything's really clean in there, you can add some silicone grease to lubricate the gear wheels. And then reassemble by putting the end cap on the battery bay side first. This can be a bit fiddly, so make sure you get it right and don't drop it inside the camera. Once you've got that in, work your way around the end cap until all the screws are in, and then that should be it.